Hi friends, I am Ankit and today I will show you how to insert video into Google Docs. Friends, if you want to insert video to your Google Docs document, then you need to upload your video to Google Drive. Like I have uploaded a video on my Google Drive. Now you need to right click on the video and here click on share. Now you need to change the restrictions. Here select anyone with the link. Now copy the link and click on done. Now open your Google Docs. Now in your Google Docs you need to select the text and add the link to the selected text. For that you need to right click on the text and click on insert link. Now paste the link and click on apply. Now if someone clicks on the text, then he will able to view the video. So friends, like this you can very easily insert video in Google Docs. I hope you find this video useful.
If you like the video, then press on like button and don't forget to subscribe our channel and press on bell icon to receive email notifications free of cost.